Welcome to my channel. Thanks guys for stopping by. If you're watching this video, then you most likely have purchased Monat products from me, whether a retail customer, a VIP customer, or a market partner purchase. Definitely keep watching because this is the way to wash your hair with Monat. It is the most important thing about these products is to realize that they work differently than any other product on the market. So proper use of the products will give you your most desired results. You'll also want to watch this video if you've talked to someone who has washed their hair with Monat and maybe hasn't had the best results. Chances are they were not doing it properly, and chances are they did not give it enough time to work. So the products are so special because they completely fix and heal your hair. They're not masking any problem. They're not coating your hair. So they need time to work. So let's get started. Okay, first step. I have completely soaked my hair. Majorly important step. Make sure your hair is completely wet for your washing phase. You're going to wash one time. It's a two-wash system. So the first time you're going to wash, you're going to put a tiny bit, that's all you need. That's all you need. It's tiny, tiny amount. Rub your hands together, emulsify, and start massaging in the scalp. You're going to use the pads of your fingers. Do not, you're going to use the pads of your fingers and you're going to massage your scalp. Notice my hair is not lathering. It's not lathering. And also, if you have super thick hair like me, make sure you separate your hair in the back. This is one of my favorite steps. Separate in the back, because I don't think a lot of people do this. I don't think they realize the importance of separating your hair in the back and making sure they massage fully into the scalp. You're going to leave it on for a good 2 to 3 minutes. This is the most important step of your wash. Another pro tip is if you feel like your product is too heavy on your head, definitely just get a little bit of water in there as you massage, okay? You're going to play around with what works for you, okay, in your scalp. So remember, shampoo goes on your scalp. I am not doing anything with my ends. I'm just massaging my scalp, okay? I will see you in a minute because I will be rinsing right now. I'm literally in my bathroom and I'm just going to stick my head in the bathtub. I'll be right back. You're gonna emulsify, okay? Now start the massaging. I can already feel the lathering. Can you see the lather? Ah, this is so funny. I can hear the lather. Can you see the lather? See? This is what your hair will do in the shower. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good and it smells so good. You can kind of hear it. Again, it's kind of weird because I'm outside the shower and my hair would actually be wetter, but you can definitely get the idea about the instructions. Your hair will not lather the first time. Okay, again, it should lather the second time. If it does not, I'm just going to add a little more so you can see. If it does not lather the second time, can you hear it? See how so if it does not, you need to do a third wash. Now, this rarely happens, but say you're someone that goes forever without washing your hair, and with Monat, you can go longer in between washes once you adjust to the products and start realizing how healed your hair is. You'll be able to go days, plus our dry shampoo is phenomenal. So you will be able to go days without washing your hair. Say you went a week. You might have to do 3 washes. Just pay attention to that lather. I'm massaging it in while I'm talking to you, but you can rinse step 2 out immediately, okay? Rinse it out immediately. Get a good lather because that is depositing your first step removed and cleansed and cleaned out all the follicles and your hair strands. And so step 2 is the lather is going to go in there and it is going to deposit all the goodness, and then you can rinse it out right away. Okay, I'm going to go rinse. I'll be right back. Again, rinse very well. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Separate your hair in the back. Let the water pour over. Separate your hair into sections and let the water go down and rinse completely. Okay, here's where the fun happens. I get to take my trusty t-shirt that I always have hanging in the shower. You grab a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, nice absorbent, gentle thing, and squeeze your hair out, okay? If you're doing a mask, like say you're doing the replenish mask, like the masks look like this, you will do that now. But you will squeeze your hair out before you do that. Conditioner does not like moisture. Shampoo, yes. Soaking wet hair for shampoo. Squeezed out hair for conditioner. I'm really glad I'm at the conditioner part because it was like Noah's Ark in here for a second. I'm going to take my Revitalize conditioner, which it looks like this is a super low amount I'm going to run out soon, and it's not, because look how much you need. Teeny bit, remember. Huge, huge thing to remember. Okay? You do not need a lot of product. They're super concentrated. Please do not use too much product. 1 bottle of shampoo will last you. Okay, emulsify. Now, from the ears down. You do not need shampoo on your scalp unless you want it there. Say your hair is super dry. I do not need conditioner on my scalp. I've been using these products for 2 years. Definitely conditioner on the ends. Super concentrated products, like I was saying, they will last you months. Then you're going to take a wet brush, which my wet brush is in my other bathroom. So I'm going to use my comb, and it is so, look how easy it is. It is luxurious. Comb it out. The chances of all your strands being covered with the delicious conditioner goes up when you brush it out. You definitely want to use a wet brush. Notice I'm not, once I get to a spot where it's going to tug, I do not keep going. Do not yank on your hair. Anytime you rough up the cuticle, you're damaging it. Anytime you hear it pull or snag, you're damaging it. You're going to leave, and then you're working against what your products are doing. Now, you're going to leave this on for a couple minutes, whatever you want, in the shower. Okay? Combed it through, leave it on. It feels really good. And when you rinse it, it's going to be silky, smooth, soft. And again, make sure you rinse out completely. Okay? Rinse your hair 100%. One of the biggest problems is people are leaving product in their hair and not realizing how super concentrated they are. So those are my 2 big pieces of advice. Okay, see you in a minute. And there you have it. I am completely rinsed. Let's review. First step, first wash. First, get your hair soaking wet. Then massage with 1 tiny amount on your hand. Emulsify and massage into your scalp. Leave on. It will not lather. Leave it on for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse very thoroughly. Do another wash. Repeat the same exact steps, but this time you'll get an incredible lather. Rinse it out right away. Just rinse it out right away. Third, you rinse that, as I said, right away, and then squeeze your hair out, wring your hair out with a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, and then apply your conditioner from your ears to your ends, and then leave that on for 2 minutes. If you do a mask, do that before the conditioner, and then rinse thoroughly. And this is me completed, and I will comb this out, and I will get back to you when my hair is dry and wrap things up. Okay, see you in a little while. Okay, I forgot to go over styling products and what you do after you get out of the shower. I blow dried my hair a tiny bit, and then the first thing I'm going to do is apply my Rejuva beads. Split end mender. This puppy will last you easily 6 months, because guess what? That much. Then, again, emulsify. Okay, this helps spread it through your hair. And then just your ends, okay? Just your ends. I like to get this part because my hair is shorter right there. And then in the back, it is smooth, silky, and it is clinically proven to heal your split ends. That's why my hair is even all the way down. It doesn't just dwindle off to nothing. It's healthy all the way down. And that's Rejuva beads, okay? That's all for Rejuva beads. Leave that on 1 minute. 1 minute. Then quickly, I like to don't put anything else on your hair for another minute while the Rejuva beads does its thing. Okay, spray it up my roots, massage it in. You can also do a, when it's dry and you want to freshen your hair for the evening and your hair's dry, just cold shot it with a hair dryer and it will completely revitalize and re-lift your hair for the evening. That's the root lift spray. And then your heat protectant. Check out any of the Studio One products. Use your heat protect and your blowout cream, which is going to give an incredible blowout. And when I get back after my hair is dry, I will just finish off with a couple of drops of Rejuvenating oil. And here we are. I'm all set. My hair is mostly dry. I am having a blast. I love it. I had a great time making this video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Please, if you did, then comment on the video. Let me know what you thought. Share the video. Subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I am so grateful that you stopped by. I cannot wait to see your results. You have completely soaking wet hair for, seriously, I don't have my dang shampoo. My next favorite thing is the Reshape Root Lift Spray. A lot of my customers use this. And do you want to guess where you use it? At your roots. And this is a brand new bottle. So, where's my, okay. Again, get ready for the magic to happen. Okay, I can't get it out. My son has my black, which I was going to use for this. Okay. There we go. Another same amount. That is that. And I realized that I have no idea why I'm breathing like so heavily. This is new to me. You can see I've only made a few YouTube videos so far.